Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy a Calvin Klein e-gift card. If you don't have a Calvin Klein account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get extra 50% off sale. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, scroll the page to the bottom. At the bottom left part, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. Then, you will be redirected to another page from which you will see a button for Buy an e-gift card. Click on Buy an e-gift card. Now, select the design of your e-gift card. Then click on Next Step. After selecting, you can now personalize your e-gift card. First, select an amount from the list provided, or you could enter a custom amount on the field under Other Amount. Next, select the quantity. After that, select if the card is a gift or for you. If it's a gift, enter the first name and last name of the recipient. Then on the From field, enter your name. On the fourth field, enter the recipient's email. You could also upload an image for the recipient. However, if the card is for you, just add a personal message on the field provided. After entering all the required information, you can now schedule your delivery. If you want to send it immediately, select Send Now, then click Add to Cart. But if not, select Send Later. Then enter the date and time of the delivery. Next, review your order summary, and if everything looks good, click on Checkout. On this page, enter your credit card information and billing address. After entering all the necessary information, click on Submit Order. That's how you buy a Calvin Klein e-gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.